Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my, I don't even know what to call it, maybe a strawberry shortcake kind of shake. I don't know, but I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I do and how I make this. So I'm just gonna show you the things that you're going to need, and then we're just gonna get started. So of course I'm going to need graham crackers. I have graham crackers. I have the Hershey's strawberry syrup, fat-free milk. I have strawberry wafers as well. I got my straws so I can sip, and I have a cup. With all of that, I need to show you the actual products that we're gonna be using for the shake. So I'm gonna be using the wild berry Formula 1 from Herbalife. This is how it looks. It's wild berry. It tastes really, really good. We're gonna be using 2 scoops of this. We're gonna be using 1 scoop of this. I'm trying to save it a little bit because I'm starting to run low on product, and I'm not sure when my new stuff is coming. I already ordered it, so yeah, that. Of course, you need ice in a blender. Duh. Also going to need your measuring cup, and I also have my blender that's gonna go in and all that jazz. So I'm actually going to speed through this part because it's a little tedious. Well, not tedious, but you know what? So now that we have the ice in there, and I also did add some strawberries in there as well. So what I do is I shake it up. And then I turn it on, put it in the blender, and blend that up. And usually while this is blending, I go and I get my tea ready. So while you guys are watching this blend and the music playing, I'm going to go start my tea. Just to get you guys know what I'm using for my tea, every morning I do drink my shake and my tea. So for the shake, I am using this is the herbal tea concentrate. This is in it has like a lemon flavor, so this is that right there. And then this is the herbal alloy concentrate in mango. So I mix mango with lemon. It's a pretty okay combination. I think next time around I might get something different just to try it. So a cup, 8 ounces of water. I use cold water, and then because hot water just, I don't like hot tea. I like cold tea. Move. I don't like hot tea. I like cold tea. So yeah, and it's like this, like, yeah. So it's really good. But anyways, back to what we're here for. I'm just going to take my clear cup, and I'm going to start off. I'm going to use the Hershey syrup. This Hershey syrup, strawberry syrup, is so runny, it's weird. But anyways, lightly I go around the rim, and then I pour my shake in. So it's like so runny, it's weird. But and then I let it go like that. And kind of just let it move its way around throughout there, just like that. Super easy. Okay, after that I'm taking 1/4 of a graham cracker, and I'm just crumbling it up. So literally I'm just like folding it in a napkin and pounding it. Now we're just gonna pour our shake into the bowl. I'm running low on ice, so it's not as icy as it usually would be. And then I forgot, but I'm using some fat-free whipped cream as well. So you're gonna take your whipped cream. And we're just gonna put that over the top like that. And then we're just gonna crumble the graham crackers on there. real, you know, spruced up. Strawberry wafer. Just gonna break it in half and just push it in there. Not, you gotta do it like too crazy. And then as you can see, it starts to overflow on the top. That is okay. We're just gonna move our napkin and put that on top so we don't get it on the glass stove. Okay, after we put that in there, okay, after we do that, we're going to take a little bit of strawberry drizzle and just put it on top. Nothing too major. Straw. And then I like to top it off with a little strawberry. Just like that. And there you go. The best part of this whole entire thing is, of course, to take a sip. So it's good. That's all I have on how I make my quick and easy strawberry shortcake shake for the morning. Even though it's 2, this is my first shake of the day because I work 3rd shift. So I just woke up around 1 something and I like took a shower and like relaxed for a little bit before I ate. Well, before this, and I was letting my camera charge up because I really wanted to record this because tomorrow I'm gonna do chocolate, because I just try to switch it up, you know. And I learned that, you know, with this whole process and this whole journey, it's better to hold on, y'all. I be switching like through my tea and my shake. So what I've learned, that in order to be motivated about this, you have to make it your own, because you will definitely get bored with just making a shake, like, you know. So you gotta spruce up the shake a little bit, make it fun, make it happy, you know. I don't mind it. I like drinking the shake every day, especially because I'm such a, excuse me, on the go person as far as like being a mom, working full-time, and doing my hair and wigs and that type of stuff. So I would say like this is like, make that time. It only took me maybe like 15 minutes altogether just to do this. So I would say just to make that time to spruce it up a little bit and make it more creative, because the more creative you are with it, the more you're going to want to do. So like I said, this is like about my weight loss journey, taking you guys on it so you guys can see it and see these results. That's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you make your own shake and show me what it looks like. Tag me in it or something, or follow me on Instagram and tag me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram somewhere down here, so make sure you follow me on that, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.